I haven't talked to Camila in a long time, and now, okay, I gotta make it. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maya, and you're watching Maya Luna Corazon. And today, I want to share with you tips and tricks how to come out of your comfort zone on this little self that keep telling you that you don't have what it takes to own the crochet business. So today I'm going to share with you the triple S that's helping me to just come out of my comfort zone and start the life I wish to live. Let's start with the first S. The first S is start where you are. What does it mean? It means start where you are, people, where you are. It doesn't matter where you are, just start now. I assume that you are watching this video, you have been in my channel for some time now, and if you are new here, we are talking about how to grow your business. So those who want to grow the business and watching with this video perhaps already, I assume that you already know how to crochet and perhaps have already many pieces of your crochet art and the creation that you already made laying around your house and don't know what to do with that. And if you think to start a business is like so much money, just like create your website and all that jazz, you can just put that aside and start by put yourself out there. This day is so simple because the social media, the internet make everything is much easier for us to grow our business. Everyone can have Instagram account, everyone can have Facebook business page, and you perhaps already have one of those things. You don't have to have them all, although I have them all, but you can just start with one thing. If you like Instagram, you like to take picture, you like to share your work in form of, it have to be a picture because people buy things online, they need to see how the thing look like because they cannot touch, they cannot really feel the thing in their hands, so the picture have to give them something. So the first as is start where you are. You can use your social media by posting the work that you already have in your phone. When you make a crochet pieces, go outside of trying to get the natural light and make a nice picture of your work and post on your social media. And if you want to sell, tell people the story behind this piece. Why are you making it? What is this for? And what does it make you feel when you create this thing? Why the Etsy.com is different than any other online marketing? Because Etsy is more concentrated on handmade, because handmade has story and everyone have story. You have a story. You can post a picture on Instagram, on Facebook, and any social media that you prefer, and you write a story of what you really feel. Don't make it up because people know when you're not real. You have to share yourself into what you do, and that make it so unique, and that is make it you. So start from where you are, and you are that. Actually, you are the product, and the product itself is the expressions of you. So writing the good story that come from your heart, this is the first step of selling thing, even though you don't have your own beautiful website yet, and it doesn't matter. Like, you can already sell on social media, and if you want to make it more professional, you can sell on Etsy, and Etsy is so easy to do this day. You don't need much money. Etsy charge only 20 cents on one listing and 3.5% when you sell something. I'm not going to talk about that in this video. If you want to know about online store, I think I have a video. I put them down here. I have a playlist about crochet business. I put everything down there and you can have a look. Today I want to concentrate on these 3 triple S that help me to come out of this thinking that I don't have what it takes to be successful. So the first S you already know, start from where you are, and that lead to the next S, which is start from what you have, right? So like I said, if you want to have a crochet channel like me on YouTube, like I have a crochet channel now 2.5 years or something. If you want to see my first video, I put the first video here, and you can see how unperfect was that video. And I don't even know at that time that making the video from my phone and how to edit the video that not compress so much of the quality of the video. I have no idea all of that, but I still put myself out there. I still put my camera and make a video sharing the tutorial. It's not because I don't have fear. I do have, but because the fear is not that much then the love that I have inside of me that I want to share, my heart was stronger than my mind, let's say. So I put myself out there. I make my first video, which is totally not good quality at all, but I have so many people come to me and they were so thankful and they're able to make that top, and that is much more than anything. And from that video I make more video, and I remember I don't even have microphone and someone complained that this is not perfect and blah blah, I don't speak good English, and I don't let all that voice stop me, because people can have many opinions about who you are, but that shouldn't stop you to make what you want to make or live the life you want to live, because everyone, they say something to you based from their own experience, their own feeling, their own thinking, their own way of seeing life. It's nothing to do with you. Whatever they said is what they have inside themselves. You can listen to them if you want to, but you should never let those words touch you so much, you know. Like, of course it's nice when people say something nice to you, but also knowing that, learn to have boundary, you know, learn to listen to yourself more than other people, because the world is full of people who have different opinions about everything, and you cannot serve everyone. You should not try to serve everyone anyway. You should be focused and make sure that you are on the pathway you wanna be, you wanna go, and things change and shift all the time, but you have to be in your lane and make it your best every single day. And that leads to the last S of today, which is start now. Don't wait, people. Don't wait for tomorrow or the better day to come, because there is no better day to come. You have only today, and you have to start now. The first step is a very important step. Even sometimes you feel like it's so hard to really lift up your foot and put it to the next step, to the first step on the ground, but you have to, because no one will lift this foot for you. You have to do it yourself. Start now, and if you fall, then you start to see that, I can learn from what I failed, and this is how the crochet is all about. How many times that I have to do and undo and do and redo and do it again. This is part of the process. This is part of growing process. And if you don't like this process, then you got to have to do something else. This is not the way of owning your business, because owning your business is like jumping into the unknown. You have no idea how much you're going to make in the end of the month, but it's so much rewarding when you take all the energy and time you have to build your business. When you go work for someone 9 to 5, of course you have a salary in the end of the month, but you help someone else to grow their business. But it's okay if that's what you love to do. But if you're born to thrive, to grow your own passion into something that you can't wait to get up every single morning to start the day, to do whatever just fill your heart, then you have to jump into the unknown, my friends. This is the only way. So I'm just gonna wrap it up. The first S, start where you are now. The second S, start with what you have. And the last S, start now. All right, beautiful soul. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, just give it a thumb up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Click that little bell so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. And you know what? The new video after this video is coming up on Friday of this beautiful top. I'm wearing it right now, Indra top. If you want to know how to make this top, just stay tuned. Find me on all social media. I'm all over the place, Instagram, Facebook. And if you want to be part of our tribe and Facebook group, just check the link down below. So if you like this type of video, comment down below, so I will make more of this type of video to share with you. Visit my website, for I offer you now one-on-one coaching, how to lift up your business into another level that you can work and live the life you wish to live. Time to live your best life, my friends. I see you next time. Mwah! Bye bye.